Hello guys and hi everyone, this is Chan here from quickpreview.in, and in this video I will give you the detailed review of Profit Nucleus. I will be also giving you the bonuses from this page totally free. My best bonuses will be given to you. You can check on the video description link to get the bonuses, and you can directly get visited the sales page from the first link of the description, and if you want to visit this page you can check out the second link of the description. Okay, so this is the bonus page of this product and review page also, like what is the profit, what is this tool about, and what is the stuffs given inside it, and what are the key benefits, and also the is it a scam, or what is this tool exactly, how it will be working for you, and who is suitable for it, and also the how long does it take to get the result. Okay, I will clear you everything and I will show you the product from inside. Let me start with the product, then I will give you the bonuses. Okay, so the first thing is not likely the bonuses, but the way how you can get the bonuses. Okay, so the first thing is, this tool is all about making money online very easily. Like you can get 3 figures earning every day, each and every day, via using this exact method, and you have to put your effort. Like maybe there are so many people who will be telling you, so many marketers who will be telling you, for this method it will take half hour of work or 1.5 hour, but in my opinion it will take your 2 or 3 hours of work. You need to put your that kind of effort to get 3 figure earning on a daily basis for each and every product is released inside Munchai, inside JVZoo or Warrior Plus. So this tool is made for the newbies. So let me start with the topics given inside it. The first thing is brief overview of the tool. Sorry, welcome. Then the brief overview. Both of them are meaningless. The next thing is brief overview is meaningful for the very newbie, very beginner. This will be meaningful for them, or maybe this will be not so much meaningful for them also. So the next thing is the case studies, and this will be the mind-blowing stuffs to show you. If I can show you, I can show. If I can show you, I can show it, but basically I can't show you. That will be violating the policy. Okay, so I can't reveal the product, the inside stuffs of the product. So that is why I can't play the videos. But inside the case studies, these are real life case studies. These are live on-screen video case studies. The case studies are about how you can get the traffic from blogs and get sales more than 10, like 16 sales, 18 sales, or maybe 12, 10 sales on a daily basis each and every day. And the next thing is YouTube video product review, and from YouTube video you can also expect 6, 8 or 5 sales. And the thing is, my screen recorder is not the premium version. That is why I need to take a break after 3 minutes. Like the entire video is recorded in totally live. I am recording it in a totally live method. Okay, so the next thing is the niche selection and creating your bonus niche or niche, whatever. Okay, so the next thing is creating bonus and niche selection. This is pretty basic and pretty what should I say, pretty newbie thing, and you should not be worried about your niche selection, cause the fundamental or the thing should be clear that whatever product is giving you the money, is paying you more and is popular, you should promote it. Okay, whatever is your niche, maybe your niche is guitar, or maybe in music you are good at, but the thing is you need to promote all over stuffs inside internet to earn good. And after a time when you will be top marketer, then you can choose a niche. Okay, so for a newbie, this should be, I will highly recommend you to go through the every niche you want, like the software niche, like the make money online niche, or any niche you want. Okay, so the next thing is the nuclear powerhouse YouTube blog. Like from YouTube how you can earn, from blog how you can earn, and how you can mix up the both stuffs to get the earning. Okay, and all of the stuffs I am showing you, all of the topics totally created in a live video, okay, on screen live video. Totally procedure are discussed in a detailed way, and that is a good thing. And also the email blast will be how to capture the email list, not via the landing pages, the typical method, the generic method. These are old school method, I think. And in the new way, you can get the email list, you can build your email list, and you can get sales. Though the email yearly sales are very lesser than the blog or the YouTube sales, but it will be effective. Okay. And the next thing is social media traffic. Quora, inside Quora, this guy has put so many effort inside Quora and he is getting sale. And the hub exit strategies. So this is followed by the top website. There is a top website named as NerdWallet. If I am not wrong, I have mentioned it here and I have pasted the link also. So this website has the wealth of $500 million and they are putting the exact strategies. And also the next thing is setup. You need one day, if you are a total newbie, you need to set up so many resources like purchasing your domain and hosting and all over stuffs. That will take time. Okay, so the next thing is bonuses. 4 bonuses are here, and apart from that, the upgrades. If you want to check out the upgrade, you can purchase the upgrade also and get more bonuses from my website. And the next thing is the unannounced bonus. That is the thing, the unannounced bonus, the free bonus. Okay, so apart from that, you can check out this page to get know more about this tool. Like it was not easy inside past to make money online, but it is totally easy nowadays, and so many people are doing, thousands of marketers are doing same thing on a daily basis. They are putting their effort 2 or 3 hours and they are literally generating money. They have just implemented their cash vending machine and they are just taking out the money, and because they just know the way, they just know the method. That is the main thing. You need to know the knowledge, you need to know the method. That is why you need this kind of very cheap course, like approximately $10. This course only cost you $10, and also 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee available, and you are also provided with the Warrior Plus refund policy. And these are the table of contents. And what is this tool about? I have mentioned here, like 3-figure paydays you can expect, and he is getting 80% conversion rate. That is extreme for some of the products. That will be not working for each and every products, for real life case studies. And also these are the stuffs given inside it. This is the quick features, pretty this is usual for any of the products inside Make Money Online niche, and it is totally not a scam. It is totally legit. And again, I've written here that videos are taken inside live screen, and also the videos are very detailed, and the same method I am also using. I have not got that much of success, but he is getting. Okay, so I put so many stuffs in a wrong way. That is why I have not got that kind of result, but I will implement those in a correct way after I have watched the entire course. Okay, so the next thing is who is made for it. Totally anyone, any homemaker, any retiree, and anyone. And final words, and this is the pricings. If you got the mega bonus, if you want to get the mega bonus, you can purchase the upsells. Apart from the front end, you need to purchase the front end firstly, then you need to purchase this. So for front end, 30 plus bonuses. These are the bonuses which I was talking about. You can check out all of the bonuses, and you can get all of the bonuses via just spending your $10, and that is very good for you. You need bonuses to promote your product or other products also. So inside upsell bonus, mega bonus box, 400 plus stuffs with software, most of them, and also these stuffs. So you can also directly check out the sales page for this tool. You can click on the video description first link to check out the sales page, and you can directly get the tool. And if you want to check out the review page, then check out the bonuses. You can click on the second link, as I have earlier told you. So this is the sales page, and this is a very good sales page. From this page you can know more about this tool, and you can get the product by clicking the buttons given inside it. So these buttons, there are some white buttons or maybe some other colors button. So these buttons also. Okay, so you can directly go through the sales page, or you can visited this page, and then you can then you will be directed to the sales page from these buttons. Okay, so I am thanking you again that you have given your time. That is very much for me. You are giving your time. Time is always more valuable than money, and I really believe it. So I am thanking you again, and have a good day. Bye bye. Have a good day.